Hi guys, this is Dr. Banu. I am the founder of ABH Health Club and I am an internationally certified prenatal and postnatal yoga instructor which includes gut sanskar, breastfeeding and infant massages. So I have recently started this ABH birth village concept just to give more importance to the content or the knowledge related to pregnancy yoga and healthcare. So many people are asking me about what is the right time to join pregnancy yoga. As per the yoga perspective and as per the medical perspective also, as I come from a medical background, so I'm the right person. I think I'm the right person to tell you the both versions. So as per the medical perspective and the yoga perspective, first 12 weeks of pregnancy is more delicate and you have to be more conscious. So basically, it's the first trimester. Once NT scan is done on at the time of 12 week, so if everything is normal in the NT scan, the nipple translucency and the nasal bone is everything is normal. With the consent of your gynec, we'll be taking the online classes for you. So I've seen few pregnancy women starting their pregnancy journey at the end of the second trimester or at the end of the third trimester. So everything was good and they have undergone a healthy labor and they have given birth to a healthy child. So pregnancy yoga is more important in this generation, especially. So if you tell your parents or your in-laws to this pregnancy yoga concept, they will not agree, and they will say, "Ki we have never done this in our days. Say that we have never done this. We have never gone to pregnancy yoga sessions in their days." So it is right from their perspective also. We see celebrities coming out of the delivery room as if they came to inaugurate the hospital. So they are more active and they are more energetic. So what is the reason behind it? They have already prepared for this day. They have already prepared physically, mentally, and emotionally for this day. So the concept is the same. Pregnancy yoga helps you in building all this. So pregnancy yoga helps you in building to strengthen your body, not only your physical health, but mental health, emotional health, and spiritual health also. So second trimester is the best time to join pregnancy yoga. And currently, I'm working as an orthopedic resident. I have been seeing many patients coming to us with complications of low backache, cervical pain, or any joint pain, pelvic pain, like that, with the common history of pregnancy. So, pregnancy compromises every part of your body. So, you are giving a healthy birth, you are giving a healthy child to this world with at the cost of your health. So, at the cost of your physical health, at the cost of your mental health, and your emotional health also. So, to give more importance to all these aspects, pregnancy yoga helps you in providing a right knowledge where you can strengthen your physical body and you can strengthen your mental health and emotional health also. So all the details will be posted on my Instagram account. Any doubts? So if you have any doubts regarding pregnancy yoga and when to start, and with the complications, so many of you are asking me about if I have these complications, can I join the pregnancy yoga? So pregnancy yoga is built to reduce the complications of the pregnancy women. We have certain asanas to reduce constipation. We have certain asanas to reduce low backache and like that. So the pregnancy complication ranges from simple nausea, vomiting to and pre-eclampsia, gestational diabetes, and everything, and there is no limit for that. So, to reduce the complications further after delivery, also pregnancy yoga helps you in this. So, if you have any doubts regarding pregnancy yoga, timings and complications, and everything related to pregnancy yoga and childcare, please DM us. We'll come back to you and we'll let you know all the details. And our online batch starts from June of 2025. So, I'm so thankful for me for getting an idea to start this ABH Birth Village. So ABH Birth Village is so special to me. It stays in my heart forever. So if you have any doubts, please reach out to us. Thank you.